friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Zotac GeForce RTX 3070 Ti with GA102-150 GPU. So friends, Zotac has the first company to unveil their new RTX 3070 Ti, and this is not the rumored 16GB variant though, but new SKU with different GPU. And it is a new model based on existing GA104 design, and both cars have an identical ribbon fan coolers, and from what we can see from official features, a picture board design as well. And friend, this upgraded model features NVIDIA's largest GA102-150 GPU, but only with 6144 CUDA cores, and this means that as many as 4608 cores was disabled on this Ampere processor. And friend, the upgraded model has the same clock to the GA104-400 base Apocalypse with maximum boost clock of 1800 MHz. And friend, the only difference is higher TDP at 320 watt, and since neither of the Apocalypse card feature NVIDIA reference TDP, and we can only assume that the GA102 variant requires 10 watt more power than GA104. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.